In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix FPS drop in Fortnite PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to comment about some methods that might help you address any issues related to FPS in Fortnite on your PlayStation 4. I'm going to go over all of them, and you can try them out in order to see if any of them helps you fix FPS drops while playing Fortnite. So, the first one, and the one that I believe is simplest, is to go over to your PlayStation 4 settings, and in there access the screen and video category. Inside of screen and video, go over to video output settings, and finally you will find resolution. So the resolution is probably going to be the biggest contributor to FPS differences in any game, including Fortnite. Now, usually most people are going to be running on 1080p. If you are running on something above 1080p, like 2000 pixels and above, consider lowering this to 1080p or even lower than 1080p itself, such as 720p. You will notice a big difference in the image quality. If you aren't aware, the resolution refers to how sharp stuff will look on screen. And if the resolution is bigger, the overall image quality will be better because more will be able to be rendered, so there will be more detail on the environment, on everything inside of the game. However, consequently, because of this, your performance is also going to be affected. If you are willing to play on a lower resolution such as 720p, this is going to be a quick way to get FPS boosts. However, like I said, only consider doing this if you know that you are going to be okay with the loss in quality. Unfortunately, there isn't much that you can do to optimize the FPS on console versions of Fortnite. And like I said, this is what I believe the best way to just get it over with. Now, some other things that you might be able to look into are if your PlayStation 4 is overheating. If you place your hand near your PlayStation 4 and you notice that it is overheating, consider giving it some fresh air by positioning it in a different place or even doing a clean of the insides. By cleaning the PlayStation 4, making sure that it is dust-free, you are going to make sure that it is not overheating and thermal throttling. If you aren't comfortable doing this, consider sending it to a repair shop. Besides this, the only last thing that I can recommend if you have a PlayStation 4 Pro is to enable boost mode. It might make the console sweat and work a little bit harder, but in turn, you will get better performance. So consider doing this if you have the PlayStation 4 Pro. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix FPS drop in Fortnite PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.